Welcome back in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 8, Human Dignity. It is going on. On page number 24, third paragraph, the story of Balsundaram shows how dedicated Gandhi was to the cause of human dignity, especially that of the poor. Service of the poor has been his heart's desire, and it has always thrown him among the poor and enabled him to identify himself with them. Balsundaram was an indentured laborer in South Africa. Indentured laborers had to work under a master for a definite period of time. It was nothing short of a kind of slavery. Balsundaram's master got angry with him and, losing self-control, bit Balsundaram, severely breaking two of his teeth. He came to Gandhi for help. Gandhi sent to him a doctor and then took him to the magistrate and filed a complaint against the master. Gandhi did not have the desire to get the employer punished. So he tried to make an agreement with the employer and succeeded in it. Through this selfless action, Gandhiji instilled a sense of pride and enthusiasm in all indentured laborers. After the incident, once Balsundaram came to visit Gandhi. As soon as he saw Gandhi, he took off his turban, which was a custom for an indentured laborer. When he meets a European, Gandhiji felt humiliated and asked him to tie up his scarf back. Gandhi could not bear the sight of a human being humiliated by another. He believed in the equality of all human beings. One's color or caste cannot make him or superior or inferior to one another. Gandhiji says, "It has always been a mystery to me how men can feel themselves honored by the humiliation of their fellow beings." So, my dear students, here one story is given of Balsundaram. Here Gandhiji is trying to give respect to that, because cause of human dignity, especially for the poor, whether poor or rich, they are supposed to get respect. It is not like that. When rich person is there, we have to give respect, and when poor person is there, if we are not giving respect, then it will work. So here Balsundaram was an indentured laborer in South Africa, and once in a while his master made a great insult by breaking his teeth, losing his self-control. Then Balsundaram went to Gandhi. Gandhiji first took him to doctor and then went to his owner and solved all the problem. And later on, Balsundaram was getting respect also. So this work, this function is performed by Gandhiji with selfless sense. And after that incident, once again Balsundaram met Gandhiji. That time he took a turban which was a custom for an indentured laborers when he met European, but Gandhiji did not like. And Gandhiji said, all are equal, all human beings equal. Whatever color is there, whatever caste is there is no superiority or inferiority. So therefore, Gandhiji is telling, it has always been a mystery to me how men can feel themselves honored by the humiliation of their fellow beings. Now, on page number 25, last paragraph, Gandhiji's vision of human dignity is still relevant in our country. Quite often, our politicians try to divide people on the lines of religion and caste. The poor are exploited even today. Child labor continues to be one of the greatest problems in India. Incidents of evisceration and assault of women are increasing day by day. Men, especially the rich and the powerful, do not hesitate to use the weaker section for their own benefits. Gandhian values should help us to respect all people, including the poor and the weak. Gandhiji held women in high regard. Our society is yet to learn to respect them. Peace will prevail only where human dignity is assured. So, my dear students, associated with human dignity, as it is mentioned here, Gandhiji's vision is there for our country. All must get human dignity. All must get respect. Here, politicians, they are trying to divide people by their names, by their caste, by their religions. That is not good. Poor are exploited. That is not good. Child laborer is there. That is not good. In India, child laborer is the greatest problem. In the similar manner, women, their respect, that is also required. Rich are being powerful and they are getting respect. That is okay. But poor also supposed to get respect. Due to poor, they are not getting respect. That is also not good. Because if all are getting respect, whether poor or rich, whether man, women, all category, then and then we can say peace will prevail only where human dignity is assured. So, my dear students, here is the end of a chapter. We have to give respect to everyone, all humankind. So, exercise you please write from the PDF. Thank you very much.